Have you heard of Nick Bostrom's theory? Well, it's quite interesting. Look at modern day technology. Just 50 years ago, you couldn't even comprehend the idea of an iPhone. But now, we can't live without it. Looking at how quickly technology has advanced, one could assume that future civilizations might have technology that we couldn't possibly begin to understand. The universe is old. Very old. Modern humans, not so much. What if humans had more time? What if technology continues to advance? Before you know it, a virtual reality could authentically reflect the strange intricacies of reality, just like a video game. Those games, that mixed up reality, what if none of this is real? What are the chances of us being the base reality?
So what do you mean? Is there somebody controlling our every movement?
Can I ask you a question? What do you want to get out of life?
Excuse me?
There must be something you want to achieve.
Well, I don't know. I guess I'm still figuring it out. I'm young, I still have time.
We're told patience is a virtue. Yet it's ironic that our time is finite. If our past dictates our future, it makes it hard to focus on the present. So let me ask you again. What do you want to get out of life?